Hi friends, welcome to the KAI tutorials. As part of today's video, I am going to explain how to handle the documents as part of your business process. Till now we have seen a business process variable means a string object or an employee object or a long object. What if it is in a document? How to deal with it? Today we are going to cover that one. So document might be in a text file or Excel file or PDF file or a Word document. If we consider your business scenario, if it is an insurance, it might be a quotation or a policy related details or a banking related, customer related information. Anything, it might be in any document. So to process that document as part of your business process, how to save the document onto the physical folder, or how to read it from the physical folder again, or how to delete it from the physical folder, or how to download it from the physical folder. So to deal how with the documents, I'll show you. So suppose, taken scenario, if it is a single document, we need to go for this document marshalling strategy. JBPM providing that document marshalling strategy, and we need to define that marshalling strategy as part of the deployment descriptor, and data type will be org.jbpm.document.Document. So this is the data type we have to choose for that particular variable, and this is the respective class document storage service IMPL, which will be containing the logic to store your particular documents onto the project home, and under that there will be a .docs folder will be there. Into that folder it will save the files. That folder I will show you. So this is about saving a single document. What if multiple collection of documents you need to handle? So that also in a marshalling strategy is there. Document collection IMPL marshalling strategy is there, and you need to use the data type as the org.jbpm.document.Document collection. So this will be the document. So these two types will be used to save onto a particular physical folder, like within your Wildfly or EAP. There will be a bin folder. Under the bin folder there will be a .doc section, .docs folder. In that all the documents will be residing. What if there is a content management interoperability services CMIS system is there, like Apache Chemistry CMIS system? So there will be username and password for it, and there will be a repository location for it. How to talk to the document using that, this is a little bit complex topic. So what I'll do, like I'll try to cover this content management interoperability services as a separate video. Once I'll set up that CMIS system, then I'll show you in a clear cut video. So there are JBPM is providing inbuilt Swagger URLs to talk to this document. So this is the URL for it. So guys, let's jump into the example so that I'll show you clearly. I'll go to the KI space. I have logged in as a WP admin. I'm creating a project, unit 7, documents. So we'll first see a single document, and how to change the marshalling strategy, and how to choose the data type, and how to upload the particular document. Go to the project. Add an asset, business process. So this is a process called review document. So there will be a person who will be reviewing the documents, whatever is been uploaded to the business process. As part of the business process, whatever the documents gets uploaded, he'll review it and he'll approve it. Just I am starting it, and I'm adding a user task. document review, and once he reviews the document, he'll decide to I'll be placing a script task. Approved. Reject. So I have to create a process level variable. I'm creating a variable called doc, and doc, that object type is org.jbpm.document. It's a custom, and another flag called approve flag, which is of type boolean, and approve. So whenever user task is active, I'm assigning a wadmin as the user, and within the assignments input will be doc. So he will be and target approve. He'll review the document and he will say like the document is approved or not. If we want, we can pass that document as the output also. That also we can pass. Just give again doc, save it. I'm adding a sysort here. Document approved. Document rejected. So add the conditions also here. If an approve is true, go here. If approve is false, go here. Just save this one. Just let it wait for save. Once again I'm repeating. So I have created a human task, and as part of the process variable I have created a doc which is of type org.jbpm.document.Document, so which will be capable of holding the document information. And I have created another variable just to approve whether the document is approved or not, and I I'm giving the document as input to the human task so that the document reviewer will verify the document and he'll decide whether he has to approve the document or not. So process wise changes are done. Now during the runtime, there should be a marshalling strategy. We need to set it in the deployment section. So this is the marshalling strategy section. So we need to add the marshalling strategy as this one, new.org.jbpm.document.marshalling strategy, which will internally use the document storage service IMPL class related logic to save the document onto the physical folder or to read it from the physical folder. So this is the location. If you so go to this jbpm bin.docs folder, here the location will have the control over the files which we are saving as part of the business process. So let us go ahead to the process and save this one. Yeah, this is fine. Now let's deploy this project. Deploy this one. Let's just wait for the deployment has to success. Then we can go to the process definition and start the process. Deployment started, I think. Go to the process definitions. So this is the review document and this is the respective diagram for it. Just start the new process instance. If we are starting the new process instance, here this is the document related thing and we are getting this one. Just search the document for the same. I'm going to the documents and I'm selecting some SQL text. SQL text.sql I have taken it. Upload the document, so which is of 546 bytes. Then start the process. Process 4 got started successfully. If we go to the process instances section, there is a review document, and if you see, this is the process variables doc and this is the SQL text for it, and which is of type org.jbpm.document.Document, and you can find the history for the same for the document and you can edit the same. And this is the document section. If you want to download the particular document from here, you can download the document too. See, here it got downloaded. So the verifier will now this is the diagram and this is the logs for the same, and size of the document and last modification and what was the name for it, everything you will see here. And if you go to the .docs folder, see here also the particular file got created with this particular folder name. So if you see here, internally that has created this SQL text. So now go ahead and go to the particular task, and he has reviewed this one and he has started this one and he has approved this one. So if you go to the process instances, completed one, so this is the one, review document and process variables and documents logs. And so now the process got completed and he has reviewed it, and he said like document is approved. What if like in future I want to see the document? That is how I showed you. So this is the Swagger URL for it. I'll type it so that you people will get a clear cut picture. So you need to type http localhost 8080 KIE server/docs. So for the KIE server, the inbuilt REST URLs are present here. Just search for the document, and if you see, these are all the exposed calls, REST calls. So you can go to this get method, and you can, if you are having the document ID, you can get the document ID. If you want to know all the documents from the KIE server which are residing under the .docs folder, you can execute it, and you can have to give the credentials over here, and then you will get the document related information, like what is the document ID and what is the document name, or what is the document size for it, and what is the document last modification date, and this is the document ID. Just note down this document ID. It is nothing but the same, whatever the folder name for that, right, that only the ID for it. If you want to return a particular document related information, try it out and give the document ID. Just execute it. So this way, this is the document content. And what if you are not able to understand this one, if you want to download that one? So this also will do that one. Execute this one, so that it will give you an option to download the file. You can download that file and you can read that file. And if you want to delete the specified document from the KIE server, you can give the document ID, and then you can delete that one too. So these kind of different operations the document API will give you, so that in your business, it might be in insurance, or it might be in banking, or it might be in health, whatever, maybe the feed PDFs or text documents or an Excel documents, as part of your business process, you can store them onto the uh, .docs folder, and you can retrieve them using these APIs. So this is about a single document handling. What if my process is having a multiple documents needs to be handled? At that time, how to handle the scenario? At the same time, I want to upload 2 to 3 documents. That also document collection is there. So that strategy we need to give, and we need to give the data type as the document collection. Till now we have seen only document. Now we will see document collection. So go to the same project and go to the settings, go to the deployments, marshalling strategy, add another marshalling strategy, and select this marshalling strategy, multiple documents marshalling strategy, and save this one. And go to the assets, go to the review document, go to the process data. Here I'll add another process variable, which is of doc list, and which is of type document collection. So to handle with multiple documents, you can go for this document collection. Now save this one. So the human task will review the multiple documents now. Now just close this one and deploy this one. It got deployed successfully. Now go to the process definitions and go to the review document. start the new process instance. See, earlier we have got an only option document. So if you select only one document at the same time, you won't be able to select the multiple documents. So if you upload only one document, if you upload another document, previous document is gone. That's it. And here you can upload multiple documents. Suppose I'm selecting these three documents. See, three documents got uploaded successfully. Just you can click on upload, or you can browse it and you can upload. So the overall now 4 documents I'm uploading. Just submit this one. Process 5 got started successfully. And if you go to the .docs folder, so this is the chat log meeting, that Word document, and this is another document, and this is another document, and this is another document, Oracle practice. So the 4 documents got uploaded successfully. So this is the way to upload multiple documents using the document collection data type, and marshalling strategy as the document collection IMPL marshalling strategy. And now these are available to the user task. User task can come. He is now having doc. If we would have given doc list as the input, he will get access to the doc list as well. He can start this one, and if he doesn't want to approve this document, he can reject this one. The same thing, document got rejected. So if you go to this process instances, and this is the completed section, and this is the again document section, and here this is the these are all the 4 documents, and the same thing you can find it in the here as well. See, you can find all the document information, what is the particular document ID, and what is the size for it, and what is the name of the document. So the other thing is like CMIS thing. That part I'll cover up in the coming up videos. I hope everyone have understood this document topic, and you have if you have liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you all.